Two men prosecutors say helped spark the investigation into the Saunders family were in court today. Brandon Henderson, Sr., and Josh Saunders are now facing charges in a child sex abuse case. The Ohio Attorney General's office says the investigation first began in December of last year. 10 TV's Kristen McFarland is live in Vinton County. Kristen, what do we know about the relationship between these men and the Saunders family?
Yeah, Bryn, well, first of all, Josh Saunders and Brandon Henderson's bond was set at $250,000 by a judge just a little while ago. Both men pled not guilty. As you mentioned, this all started in December when an investigation was open into alleged sexual abuse of two children. Now, this led to the indictments and arrests of both Hocking County men, Josh Saunders and Brandon Henderson. Saunders is charged with 3 counts of rape and 1 count gross sexual imposition. Henderson is facing 21 charges, including 8 counts sexual battery, 8 counts of gross sexual imposition, and 4 counts endangering children. Investigators say the investigation into these two men are what led to an investigation into Elizabeth and Gary Saunders Jr. and what ultimately led to discovery of the 16 children. Both parents are facing sexual battery charges and each 2 counts of unlawful sexual conduct with a minor. The Attorney General's office says the victim is not a family member of the immediate Saunders family. Right now, we are working to learn the alleged connection and relationship with those two men and the Saunders family. We'll, of course, bring you the latest as we learn more. For now, reporting live in Vinton County, Kristen McFarland, 10 TV News.
Kristen, thank you. And like she just said, the investigation into sexual assault allegations against these two men led investigators to investigate Gary Saunders Jr. and Elizabeth Saunders for separate allegations of sexual misconduct involving a minor. The young couple is now facing an indictment related to those allegations. That's in addition to the allegations linked to this discovery of 16 children inside a home with 4 adults in Vinton County. Each adult in the home is facing more than a dozen charges related to child endangerment. On June 30th of this year, officers went to serve a warrant for the unlawful sexual conduct charge. And when they entered the home, investigators found 16 children they say they did not expect to be there. At the time, the Ohio Attorney General described the condition of the home the 20 peoples were living in was, quote, deplorable. There's no court date scheduled for the family right now.